Hi, my name is Mabel. Today I'm going to share with you on how to burp a newborn baby. If you're first-time parents, I hope this video can help you a little. I have two favorite ways of burping a newborn. One is a sitting up pose. For this sitting up pose, I will prepare a handkerchief. When the baby is ready for burping, turn the baby face toward this side. Put a handkerchief in your hand and rotate the baby 45 degrees. Use your right hand to support the baby head, neck and the body. And the good things of having a handkerchief in hand is more comfortable for the baby, and if just in case the baby choke up, the handkerchief is there. So then just tap gently or like this. If you're not comfortable with the baby hands moving around, what you can do is wrap the baby up first before you burp the baby with a sitting pose. And let me show you how to wrap the baby. I like to use this nappy cloth because it's not too big and it's quite airy and not too thick. Grab one corner and make one triangle shape. Grab this corner and tuck it under the baby's body. Put the baby arms down. Pull a little bit to make sure the baby is wrapped firmly and smooth, and just wrap over. Grab a handkerchief, turn the baby face towards this side, rotate 45 degrees and just tap gently or like this. My second favorite way of burping the baby is lean the baby on my chest. For this pose, I will prepare another cloth. Put it over my shoulder. To do this is cleaner for the baby. Putting on the cloth on the shoulder is cleaner for the baby, and also just in case the baby choke up and it will not all over on you. Okay, lean your shoulder forward and put your baby head nicely and comfortably on your shoulder and come up like this. And you can lean forward, backwards and just tap gently like that. And what you don't do is, a lot of time I see people just put the baby and like this, and then a lot of time the baby heads will just hit on your shoulder, and you don't want to do that. So what you do is lean forward first, put your baby on your shoulder and just come up like this. So this is smoother for the baby and it's more comfortable, and you can just burp the baby like this way. Okay. That's all I'm sharing with you. That's all my two favorite way of burping the newborn. I hope this can help you a little. Thanks for watching.